Good morning, everyone. Assalamualaikum. Today, we're going to explore a newly opened block for sale dito sa loob ng Royal Pines. This is our exclusive right to sell 8 lots with number of pine trees. But before we start our exploration and adventure, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button, click that bell button to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Viber, WhatsApp. Email and email by simply clicking the link below on the description box. You may search us via Google at www.rmiliadorealty.com for all of our fresh and super fresh listings. Today, napaka-blessed natin because itong block, the remaining block for sale with 8 number of lots, 4 number of inner lots, 4 number of corner lots, total number of 8 lots with the average area of 430 square meters and the mean, median, and the mode. Of course, the range nasa 450 square meters. Plus 2,000 pesos for every corner lot selling in the market for 25,000 pesos per square meters. Example, this is a through lot hanggang doon. So imagine, this is almost 900 square meters yung dalawang title. Plus the inner lots, almost 800 plus square meters. Then the other lot, 800 plus square meters. Then the corner through lot, like almost 900 square meters. If you are going to add the 8 lot, multiply into 430 square meters each lot, how many square meters in a block? Yung magagaling sa mathematics and mathematician, guys, computin nyo na. Alright, if you are interested or anyone interested, napakaganda mag-invest dito sa loob ng Royal Pines because the location, the conformity, and then the, what do you call that one? The principles of anticipation. Okay, napakaganda ng location because paglabas mo dito ay love ko to. Plus the mall, plus papunta Sky Ranch, like 5 minutes driving away. Elevation in terms, 620 meters above sea level, kaya expected flood-free. The second one, walang nuisance. Of course, ang ganda ng pinaka-neighborhood. Bawal dito ang maingay, pati nga ang swimming pool. Bawal dito because nami-maintain dito yung pagiging countryside. The same way, ang lapad at ang lalawak ng mga kalsada. And then, as you can see, at ang dami ngayong mga iba-ibang klase ng pine trees. Plus, meron silang Mala Switzerland na ambience sa loob. Lahat ng mga bahay dito, walang concrete fence but allowing ng picket fence. And right now, i-explore natin kahit nagkaroon ng precipitation. What do you think, Benji? Oh, let's go, Benji. Ang ganda pa naman suot ko ngayon. Kulay white. Okay, what can you say, Colleen? Huh? It's okay?
You look like a cowboy.
Oh, di ba? You look like a cowboy daw, di ba? Ayan si Colleen. Buti pa yung pamangking kong si Colleen eh. Very supportive. Anyway, guys, if you have subscribed our channel, give us support. Share our video sa inyong immediate extended and large family. If you're interested, no, just message us. The price of the property nasa description below. How to contact us? Just click the link below and long press our contact number automatically. Lalo na kung naka-iPhone kayo, guys. Copy and paste, then call. Diba? 24/7 yung ating telepono. Ayun, diba? Okay. Shout out po kay Sir Ben. Shout out po kay Ma'am Sarah. Hi, Ma'am Sarah. And shout out po kay Sir Joel. Ayan. Shout out po sa ating mga avid fan out there na matagal na naghahanap ng property. I think ito is very virgin. Very fresh. Imagine, ngayon lang to inopen. Isang bloke pwede mong mabili in a political subdivision. Okay. Maganda dito kasi tahimik, oh. Ang daming mga fruit-bearing trees. Okay, I think ito yung first lot. Okay, kasi mayroon ditong water line. And then, imagine, this is 900 plus square meters. It's a corner through lot. Dalawang titulo yan, but pwede nyo mabili ang isa. Alright. Diba? Dapat daw may reserve. may reserve ka ba?
How
Cash term lang gusto nila dito eh.
cash?
Yeah. Gusto nila cash term lang. Okay, ito yung pangalawa. Okay, di ba? Ito yung pangalawa, oh. Oh. Alright, di ba? Makikita mo naman, may fruit-bearing trees. Pwede ka maglagay ng bahay dito sa gitna. This is a inner through lot. Doon sa kabila, meron ka ding kalsada. So, ito yung pinaka-property boundary. Ang laki ng puno. Anong tawag sa puno na yan? Pag marami na sila, ang tawag?
Trees.
Pine trees.
Ang bunga.
Ano bunga ng pine trees? No. Mali. It's pineapple. Okay? Let's go. Alright, ayan yung dalawa. Ito yung pangatlo. Okay, ito yung pangatlo, guys. As you can see, the same. Meron siyang water line right here. Alright, ito yung pangatlo. So you have fruit-bearing trees, may mangga, at madaming mangga, at saka madaming pine trees, paper tree. Look, oh. Paper tree. Pupunta natin doon. And then, this is the last part. This is the morning side. Ang napapansin ko dito sa block na to, wala siyang linya ng kuryente here because the linya ng kuryente is nandun sa ibang block. No? So, I like the area at walang nuisance. Okay? So, nandito na tayo sa dulo, no? Ang bilis ng ating house tour. So, imagine, ganito kaganda sa Royal Pines, no? At makikita mo dito yung neighborhood para ka nasa Switzerland. Lalo na yung kanilang bridge. Alright, yung bridge here. Wow. And then, the design of the house. Ayan, pwede kayong magpagawa ng American-inspired modern property dito mismo sa Royal Pines. Now, if you like land banking, guys, tama-tama din ito. What do you think? Or land banking or land assembly. You can avail the whole block and then you can build a house. Then, pwede mo siyang ibenta sa an open market. Pwede din, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay. At least, it's controllable. It's curable because nasusulab ka ng isang political subdivision. Alright. Tingnan natin the other side. Let's go. Alright, no? We are located in Tagaytay right now, dito sa Royal Pines. Now, if you are looking at parcel of property near Metro Manila, kasi from Metro Manila papunta dito like almost 1 hour. And then, pero kung mas gusto ninyo, mas malapit sa Metro Manila, so we have a real estate development project in Antel Grand Village and Aniana, our focus project in General Trias, wherein we showcases house and lot packages available sa bank financing and Pag-ibig financing as well sa aming Aniana West Home Residences. O ganito kaganda ang lote. O, di ba? Alright. What can you say, guys? Nice, di ba? Alright. Very nice. Ang ganda. Ang daming mga puno. I like the area. Beautiful. Perfect neighborhood. And then, the conformity of the area. Plus, the flexibility of the terms. If you are interested or anyone interested to invest this real estate, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. Once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless everyone.